Every time I make an instrument, I've learned something. I think the thing about guitar building is it comes down to, what do you want to make today? One of my trademarks is that I always try to use natural woods. I scour the state of Maine looking for woods that are native to the state. I like to honor the wood. I don't want to cover it up with paint. I want to bring it out and emphasize its grain or its figuring. Recently, I decided to go into production, and this model is going to be called the Atmosphere. Typically on any electric guitar, your pickups go in this space. Imagine the possibility of being able to put that pickup anywhere in there and essentially come up with an infinite number of tones. As a small business owner, there's obviously a lot of moving parts, but at the end of it all is you have to believe in yourself. My name is Juan Carlos Peinado. I build custom guitars under the moniker of Earth Custom Guitars.